hi.
Yeah, brother. Where are you from, brother?
I'm from West Bengal.
Hey, okay.
I think you are from UP or Bihar.
No, brother. I am from Tamil Nadu.
Okay, that's good. You know what? I mean, I want to know. I want to learn Tamil, but I don't know how to learn.
Yeah, I think it's more difficult, brother. Tamil.
Yeah.
Hmm. By the way, what's your mother language, brother?
It's Bengali, but I know Bengali, Odia, Hindi, English like that.
Okay. Yeah, that's great. You are studied in that much language, but do you like which language, brother?
Sorry.
Do you know that much 5 or 6 language, brother? But you are in. Do you like which language best, brother?
Sorry, I cannot get to your point perfectly. Can you speak? Can you speak loudly?
Okay. Do you know 5 or 6 language, brother? Which language do you like most, brother?
Okay, yeah, I like it. You know what? Every language have different aspect of, making their communication.
Yeah.
And yeah, and I also I like both Odia and Bengali.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. By the way, what do you do, brother?
I'm a student. I have recently completed my graduation, and nowadays I'm preparing for my masters.
Okay. In which stream?
Sorry.
In which stream you are completed your master, brother?
No, I have not completed my master. I have completed my graduation. I'm in BSc.
Okay. BSc. BSc?
BSc chemistry.
Okay, you are in chemistry.
What's about you? I think you are a student.
Yeah, right. But I am a mechanical bachelor of engineering final year student, brother.
Okay. Yeah, that's good.
No, brother.
I think Germany is suitable for you.
Why, brother?
It's a mechanical hub.
Okay.
Yeah, you can search it on Google and you will find many, descriptions about this.
Yeah, but I actually I am studying mechanical, brother, but I don't like that course.
Why?
Why means if you are completed this course, you want to join in any Indian company, then they will give only 10,000 per month. So I am completely. I have joined at the time. I have no idea about that course. Then I was realized if you want to go into IT sector, then they will give more money. So I think that is not suit for me. So I want to shift my career in IT sector. That's my plan, brother.
Yeah, that's also good. But you know what? If you are passionate about something, then don't worry about that. You will get excellent.
Do you like your course, brother?
Sorry?
Do you like your subjects and chemistry?
Yeah, I like chemistry. That's why I have choose that as my honors.
Okay.
And I love to do different chemical reactions, and also their. I'm very much curious about their mechanism.
Okay, that's great.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's very difficult. I think you are gonna make and gases. So it's very difficult, brother.
Yeah, it's difficult, but I like it. That's why I don't think it's difficult.
Not difficult, brother. Very different. Sorry, I am asked.
I think you are VTech. You are also studying chemistry.
Yeah, but in my experience in chemistry, like we are using pipette and purette, then like that, we are doing like that for lab. I have that much experience, brother. But you are saying I will make a new chemical that very different from to me, brother. That's why I am saying.
Yeah.
Do you make
So
it?
what was your subjects in chemistry, in your mechanics, in your BTech?
Yeah, they will study one paper, brother, chemistry. The name is chemistry, only chemistry, and on lab, chemistry lab. They
Okay.
will in first unit they will study about I have forget but little bit. What, brother?
Sorry. No. Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah. You can continue.
yeah. There one subject on lab paper, brother. Lab paper we are doing only the same thing. 5 experiment. One is on a pipette plural, and another one is on. I forgot that. I have. Yeah, 4 year back I will do that, brother. So I have completely forget that.
Okay. What was your syllabus? Your theoretical syllabus.
Theoretical syllabus. Okay. We are studied about fishes.
pH.
No, chemistry.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think it was phenol,
I forgot, brother.
phenol alcohol. Yeah, that's okay.
Phenol alcohol. Yeah.
Okay. Let it go.
Completely I will forget. In my 12th
So-
standard, I will check it as a which you will make it mixture of the fluid, chemical, and then find out the chemical name. I will do that in my 12th standard, brother.
Yeah.
Find out the chemical name by their reaction, I think.
Okay. So how long are you using this application?
Yeah, I have installed this application 1 month ago, brother. But one time I am so bored. That time I have uninstalled this application. Right now, 1 day ago, then I installed this application and then continue that journey. And by the way, what about your brother?
Yeah, you know what? I think. Hello.
I can hear your voice, brother. You carry on.
Yeah, I think you are senior than me in this platform.
Okay.
You know what? I have recently installed this application last 2 hours something.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So how did you know about this application?
Actually, at the time I am searching Google, brother, how to improve my communication skill. Then they will suggest some application. So and then I use one keyword, English speaking app. Then they will suggest more than 5 or 6 application, brother. I have downloaded 2 application, and then comparatively that is quite good, I think. That's why I am using that one, brother.
Yeah, that's good. You know what? English and communication skill, both are different things.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Actually, you are speaking very fluent, brother.
Okay, thank you, bro. You know what? English is all about practice, and if you are doing practice, then you will get excellence, bro. I know it will take time, but if you are doing it regularly, then you will get that fluency also.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah.
Do you make any new chemical, brother, in your life? In your
New. If I can do that, then I will be a scientist, bro.
Okay. Yeah.
And yeah, maybe in the future I will do that after my MSc.
Okay. Any interesting chemical how to make, brother? Like in some cinemas they will showing if you are make on laugh chemical.
Sorry, I cannot get your point.
Yeah, what I am saying, in cinema they will sometimes showing if one chemical open, then all the people are laughing. That kind of chemical, how to make?
Yeah,
that?
laughing. Yeah, laughing gas.
Yeah. How to make, brother, that one? Hello.
Yeah, it's a lengthy process.
Okay.
But you know what? All the chemicals are different upon their properties. I mean, there are 118 elements in the periodic table, and they are, situated very nicely. So if someone wants to make a good compound or make a, you know what? Every element does not make a good compound.
Okay.
That's why we have to choose. We have to pick and choose every single compound very.
Okay. Hello?
Consciously.
Brother, I lost your connection last minute ago, brother. Few minutes ago, brother. Can you repeat, please? Hello?
Hello.
Okay. Now, right now, okay, brother.
You know what? I think as it a light version application, that's why we are facing these types of network issues.
Yeah.
So, okay. So, what are you doing to improve your English? Apart this application, what are you doing to improve your English?
Actually, I am watching some foreigner YouTube channel, and then sometimes I am join one English group, brother. That group sometimes they will discuss about group discussion. So that two things I have to do, brother. And what about you, brother?
Yeah, I'm used to read. I used to read newspaper, and also nowadays I'm not reading because nowadays I'm preparing for my MSc. But I'm hearing some podcast nowadays, and also if I like some word or if I love some word, then I just try to utilize them in my conversation. And I think that is the ninja technique for everyone. Yeah, but you know what? My voice is so deep. That's why maybe you are not comfortable to talk with me.
No, brother.
Yeah.
Do you from Gujarat? Do you like Modi, brother? Narendra Modi?
Narendra Modi.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know. He's the Prime Minister of India.
Okay.
How did I forget them?
No, brother. You are born in Gujarat, I think. That's why I am asking Chief Minister of Gujarat some years ago.
Yeah.
That's it.
So what do you think about PM Modi?
Yeah, I think okay, good Prime Minister, I think.
Okay.
But sometimes I am not like that person because of they will implement some NEET exam. In Tamil Nadu, they will not accept a NEET exam. Hello?
Yeah, I'm listening.
Yeah, Tamil Nadu does not accept a NEET exam because of almost 90 or 70% of medical colleges are only Tamil Nadu. But almost if you are conducting a NEET exam, but Tamil Nadu people are not get in seat in Tamil Nadu, brother. That's why our government not supported. But Narendra Modi implement the plan. So I am that one reason I cannot like that person.
Okay.
What about you, brother?
Yeah, I also like Narendra Modi. So, okay, so I have some work, bro. I have to go.
Okay, bye, brother.
Bye. And you know what? I feel more comfortable to talk with you because you are so honest.
Okay. Bye, brother.
Yeah, bye.